In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock earnings by sharing your Wise referral link with friends. This is a straightforward process, but to make sure everything goes smoothly, let's walk through it together, step by step, with some added insights along the way to maximize your success. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Wise account. If you haven't already, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your central hub for managing finances with Wise. It's here, at the top, that you'll notice a tab labeled Earn. Let's go ahead and click on that now. What you'll see on this screen is Wise's referral program. This is where your journey to earning extra money begins. It provides a quick introduction to how you can earn by simply sharing your unique referral link with friends. This program not only rewards you, but also invites others to enjoy the benefits of Wise. To proceed, you'll need to copy your personalized referral link. This link is essential because it's the unique code that tracks your referrals and ensures you receive your earnings. Once you've copied the link, the next step is sharing it with friends. You'll need to share it with at least 3 friends or more who might benefit from using Wise's services. Sharing your link is simple, and there are multiple ways to do it, which makes it convenient regardless of your preferred communication method. One quick way to share your link is by clicking on Share. This gives you various options such as sending it through WhatsApp, posting it on Facebook, or sharing it on X, which may be better known to some as the platform formerly known as Twitter. By using these social media channels, you can effectively reach out to the people who would appreciate or need what Wise offers, while also making the process effortless for you. Remember, for your earnings to be realized, your friends not only have to receive your link, but also need to sign up using that link. It's at this point, when they complete their sign-up process, that you'll see the impact of your efforts, with your earnings reflected in your account. By understanding these steps and utilizing the tools provided, you're set to successfully share the advantages of Wise while experiencing a financial benefit yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.